I'd seen a lot of comments that people would say, oh, I'm not going to watch season 6. I can't watch season 6. I can't take it.
Prime Video and 5 and 2 Studios have announced that the highly anticipated 6th season of The Chosen will premiere November 15th, with a hybrid release that includes both streaming and a theatrical finale. The 6-episode season will debut its first 3 installments on launch day, followed by weekly episode releases through December 6th, exclusively on Prime Video. The finale will not be part of the initial streaming rollout, and instead is scheduled for a global theatrical release in spring 2027 in multiple languages. Dallas Jenkins has said that the 6th season focuses on the final hours of Jesus' life, depicting the events leading to the crucifixion through the perspectives of his followers and those who oppose him. Season 6 is the living out of what Jesus said. "Not my will, but yours," Jenkins said. Jesus, God incarnate, expressed that his own will might be to avoid the crucifixion, yet he willingly chose surrender. If he was willing to put himself through that when he could have gotten out of it, then our problems are much smaller by comparison. "I want to follow in his footsteps," Jenkins says. The official synopsis of the season describes a moment of mounting tension as religious leaders, Roman authorities, and disciples interpret the unfolding events in sharply different ways. Jenkins said everyone knows the basics of this part of the story, but not everyone knows the why of the crucifixion and the extraordinary events of these 24 hours. We realized this not only deserved a season of television, but a standalone full-length theatrical event as well. We wrote and filmed all of it with this in mind. Jonathan Rumi returns as Jesus alongside Shahar Isaac as Peter, Paris Patel as Matthew, Elizabeth Tabish as Mary Magdalene, and Noah James as Andrew. Season 5, The Chosen: Last Supper, is currently available to stream for free on the Chosen app and is also available on Prime Video.